Hey guys, Dr. Buttry here at OneHealth Chiropractic. I just read some amazing research, truly inspiring stuff. It's some of the new things they're doing in the chiropractic world. As you all know, if you've ever spoken with me, chiropractic is about so much more than neck pain and back pain and headaches, and the research is catching up. The research they're doing on stress levels and on brain function, and now on telomere length. What the heck's a telomere? Most people have no idea. Well, in your body, you're made up of cells. And just about every single cell in your body has telomeres within it. In your cell, there's what is called DNA. If you've watched Jurassic Park, you know about DNA. And if you took a biology class, you probably know quite a bit about it as well. And DNA is two strands that are wrapped around each other, and they form this helical type structure, this helix, and that is where your genetic material is stored. That's where the material that makes you you is stored, and pretty much every cell in the body has that within it. Now, cells will die and cells will be reborn, or not reborn, but they're created again. Cells split and make new cells. There is death and there is life constantly going on in the body. Every single second that you're breathing, you have cells dying and cells being created. Now, when that happens, the cell splits and it has to make a copy of that DNA, that genetic material that makes you, you. When this happens, there's little tiny bits of the DNA strand that gets lost. These telomeres are the end caps on the DNA strands. They're the protectors of that super key and super important genetic material in the middle of the DNA strand. They're the end caps on the top and on the bottom of the DNA strands. I would liken it to like a shoelace. You see the plastic tip or the metal tips on the end of the shoelace to protect the rest of the lace. These are the telomeres. And long story short, the longer your telomeres are, the longer life you have ahead of you. The shorter the telomeres, the more susceptible you are to aging and disease and all these things that nobody wants. So, what does chiropractic have to do with that? They took a group of participants, put them on a chiropractic diet. So they were adjusting these people regularly. That is it. That is all they changed. They adjusted the folks and they knew what their telomere length was prior to starting the program. About 3 to 6 months later, whatever it said in here, I honestly don't remember. Some months later after this program, they went and retested and remeasured the telomeres. And not only did it stop and arrest the process of the telomere shortening, the telomeres actually got longer. More studies need to be done, of course, but this is amazing research showing some of the impact that chiropractic care has. Much beyond your back pain, much beyond your neck pain. This stuff is powerful. If you want to come in and talk to me more about this, I got plenty of other great research articles, but truthfully, I would invite you to join us for dinner. We're doing what's called a dinner with a doc. We're doing this Tuesday, September 12th at 6:30 p.m. at CB & Potts at the Collindale Golf Course in Fort Collins. We're talking about all sorts of exciting things and all things chiropractic and natural health and healing and the implications that chiropractic care can have for you, your loved ones, your colleagues at work, your kids, anybody that you might know. We're just going to be sitting down, enjoying a nice meal, and talking about the wonders of chiropractic. Everybody's loved this. We've done several of these events in the past, and this is kind of me reaching out to you and inviting you to join us. We take care of dinner. There's no obligation, and bring as many friends as you want. I look forward to seeing you there soon.